Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you some new assets ProductionCrate has out. Now I'll show you how to use these neon light assets in your projects in Vegas Pro. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're like my best friends. Okay, so we have a number of different type of neon fonts and just short phrases here. The ones that are already done up for you, these are done in After Effects. And you can download these and use them in Vegas. And I'll show you how to do that. Anything with a star requires a Pro membership, which costs $49 a year. Anything without a star is a free download, no questions asked. Sign up, password, and you can download anything you want without a star, no questions asked. I'll put links in the description for a link to ProductionCrate. So here's a bunch of different neon type. These are brand new, just released last week. This is what I'm going to be using. Like and subscribe. I really like this one here. Now I'll show you how to use the letters as well, the 3 letters. So lots of cool looking assets here. Okay, so let's go into Vegas here. So I made a short tutorial, or a short actual intro, when you've seen at the beginning of this video in Vegas Pro. And it's using their fonts and some sound effects I got off YouTube. Unfortunately, ProductionCrate doesn't have any neon sign sound effects as of yet, but they most likely will in the future. So if you go to YouTube and search neon sound effects, there's piles of sound effects you can download and use those sound effects in your project. Now, if you don't want to use these pre-made neon lights in After Effects, you can download the individual fonts. So you have an option. Let's go back to ProductionCrate. You have an option when you download. You can download MP4, which is green screen. All you have to do is key it out. Or MOV, which is QuickTime. You have to have QuickTime enabled. This will not work in Movie Studio Platinum 17 build 204. There's a bug in there. It will not work with these MOV files. So you have to download the MP4 and key out the green. Let's go back to Vegas here. So here's a letter I downloaded here. I thought Vegas is going to crash there for a second. To key out the green screen, what you would do is go to Event Effects, look up Vegas Chroma Key, and just key out the green. Now if you download the MOV, what you would do is you right click, Properties, Media, and select Alpha Channel, Straight Unmatted. And that would get rid of the background as well. It would be transparent. Almost forgot, guys. I forgot how to show you how to use these effects. So anyways, for these here, the ones I downloaded direct from ProductionCrate, these are the right file. Nothing done to it. Nothing is done at all. It's on a black background. I just left it alone. But if you're keying out the green, or using an MOV file, what you're going to have to do is apply the grid. You have to go into track motion. Resize these smaller. And then place them wherever you want to using the grid. So I forgot to add that to my original video. So if you're interested in that, I can do a separate tutorial on that. And then apply a glow special effect to that as well. So once again, I'll put links below to the ProductionCrate, so you can download these new neon fonts. If you haven't signed up for ProductionCrate yet, they have thousands and thousands and thousands of all different kinds of assets on their site. All kinds of special effects, sound effects, music, and a lot of their content is free. You don't have to pay any money. It's all free. But anything with a star, let's go back to ProductionCrate here. Anything with a star on their site requires a pro membership. So just want to pass along this tip. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.